Hello friends, on this global pandemic situation of COVID-19, I considered this question that how mathematics helped COVID-19 study and lockdown predictions to be very relevant. And in this video, I would like to answer it in lucid manner. Doctors, microbiologists, and virologists are relentlessly working on the treatment process and possible vaccines of COVID-19. Now, worldwide mathematicians are also contributing to get the data and analyze it to understand this endemic. Friends, during this lockdown, preparedness solely depends on the data like how much population is infected, population density, population age group, the growth rate of the infection, as well as cure day by day. Also, statistics are made on the new cases coming. In fact, here mathematical models are implemented which tells us something which has not been directly observed. Today, we will be discussing some epidemiological models based on mathematics. Epidemiology is a study of disease in population and determinants of health. It is, in fact, the backbone of public health. An important epidemiological model is SIR model. It calculates the number of population infected with a contagious disease in a closed population over a certain time. SIR means susceptible, infected, and recovered or removed. This model was firstly published in 1927 by Carmack and McKendrick. This model can answer few things like if there are some susceptible as well as some infected cases, then whether an endemic will come or the disease will die out. Again, how long an endemic will last or how will it end. This model is based on an important branch of mathematics, which is differential equation. It is applicable for disease like malaria. Now, another model is SI model, which is simplest form of all disease models. Here, all individuals are susceptible throughout the life and no immunity is there. There is for disease like herpes. For this disease, SI model is hugely applicable. SIS model is another model where infected individuals return to susceptible stage after being infected. This is applicable for common cold and gonorrhea. Now friends, since doctors are frequently telling the terms like incubation period or silent carrier, there is another updated epidemiological mathematical model, SEIR model, where the term latent or exposed stands for the letter capital E. Many diseases like COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 have a latent phase during which the individual is infected but not infectious. All models are with and without vital dynamics. Inclusion of vital dynamics means inclusion of births and natural deaths. So friends, in this episode, I discussed about some mathematical models. I hope you liked it, and we will meet very soon with episode 2. Goodbye.